Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. Okay, so first you need to go to Roblox website. At the top, choose the third option labeled create. This will lead you to your creator dashboard. You should see your experience listed. Hover over it until you see three dots. Then click on it. Click on the option to create a badge. Once you do this, more options will appear on the left side. From the new options, select the fourth one, Associated Items. In the Associated Items tab, click on Passes, which is next to Badges. Click on Create a Pass. Select and upload the image you want for your Game Pass. Enter a name for your Game Pass, such as Roblox or something else. After filling in all the required fields, click on Create Pass. It will take a while for Roblox to verify your pass, but once it's done, you will receive it. To set a price for your Roblox Game Pass, left-click on your Game Pass to open its basic settings. Click on Sales option. Ensure you check the option Item for Sale. Enter the price in Robux. Keep in mind that you will receive 70% of the price you set. And that's it. I hope you can now create your Roblox Game Pass and set a price for it. If you have any doubts or questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.